easy go.
Okay, I'm finna show you guys how to make your first intro. Go to panzoid.com. You can do all types of intros and stuff. So I'm just gonna do this false intro. Then you click open with Clip Maker. One minute, just taking a second to load. Okay, if it's not like how you want it at first, you click the eyeball. Sometimes it'll show up like regular, or sometimes have just plain stream before that. Then you hit play. You change the name by you click here. Then you change everything that says, every one of these right here that says text, you change it. As in like mine is 3 game. You do custom fonts. I like doing the bloody font. Then hit play. Then it has everything changed. But then you click the download button. No, you go back up here. Then hit load project. Nope. I'm gonna go to save project. Click allow. And click download project file. Showing folder. What the hell did I do that? I feel stupid now because I did that shit. Okay, I'm gonna try to edit because I did that wrong. I feel stupid. Under. Let it calculate. Calculating.
Many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so it just finished. You click download your video. And I'm on a Chromebook, so I hit show in folder. It should be different for you guys if you're doing it on a phone or on Windows. Then you click open. So that's all, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And that's all for now.